Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to repost the Instagram story of someone else's to be our Instagram story. So the first thing you have to do now is just open your Instagram and make sure that you are logged in your account, and after that make sure also you are in the home sections right here. And whenever you are already in a home section, you just need to go into the DM in our inboxes part with the symbols and then click it. Whenever someone mention you on their story, they will be like pop up on the screen right here, mentioned you in their story, so that you just need to open it. Whenever you open it, you just need to go click this story that you are tagged in, and after that go click add to your story. You can add another additions of emoji, text or any gif by click this part, and after that adjusting the positions where do you want to have these additions to. And whenever you're done make your own creations over the story, just go click this to your story, and now the story will be added into your Instagram story account. So let's check it. And that's the way how to repost someone else's Instagram story to be our own. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.